Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step how you can make deposit and withdraw from your Deriv account using payment agents in the new Deriv platform. As we all know, the two previous platform is entirely different from this new platform, and that make it very difficult for many traders to fund and withdraw money from their account. So in this video we are going to look at how we can make deposit and withdrawal. When you log into your account, this is your home page. This is what you are going to see. On the taskbar, you have home, CFDS, option, and portfolio. So you click on portfolio. When you click on portfolio, a page will come up again where you see deposit, transfer, and withdraw. So you click on deposit. When you click on deposit, it will take you to a deposit dialog box where you can choose different deposit method. Now we are going to use payment agents. So you click on payment agents. When you click on payment agent, your CR number will come out. Your CR number is your unique USD wallet account that Deriv assigned to you. Then you copy it. This is your CR number here. You copy it. When you copy it, you contact your agent. We are using Vibeclip Pay. So I'm going to contact Vibeclip Pay to fund my account. So I will send my CR number to him and proof of payment depending on the amount of USD that you want to fund. Now I've contacted him and he has funded my account with 5 USD. This is the 5 USD in my account that you can see now. Okay. So now, for we to trade the dollar, we need to transfer the money to our MT5. So how are we going to do that? You click on transfer. Click on transfer here. When you click on transfer, it will take you to transfer dialog box where you can transfer in between your account. Now you can see the 5 USD in my USD wallet account. You can see it here. Now I will click on transfer to. You can see to. Now I'm sending it to my MT5. So on this drop down arrow, I will click on it. Now this is your wallet, crypto wallet. We are not sending it to crypto wallet. So we'll scroll down. This is the list of my MT5 below. I have two MT5 accounts here, the swap free account and the normal CFDS. Then we have option account. I'm not trading with option account. I'm going to send the money to my swap free account. So I will select swap free account. Okay. Now, how many am I transferring to it? I'm transferring 5 USD. You click on transfer, then you confirm it. Once you confirm it, the money will move to your MT5 account where you can trade the money. And once you make profit, you need to transfer the money back to your USD wallet where you can withdraw it through payment agent again. So now let's assume we have traded the money and we want to transfer it back to our USD wallet. You go back to transfer. Click transfer again. Transfer here. Now, the transfer dialog box come up where you see transfer. The money is in my MT5. Then I will select where I'm sending it to. You select it from here. You can see my USD wallet account here. I will click on it. How many am I sending? I'm sending 5. Now click on transfer. Then I need to confirm it. Then I'll confirm. Okay, now the money will be sent to my USD wallet account. So I need to withdraw the money. I'll go back to my portfolio. I need to withdraw the money through payment agent. So this time around, I'm going to click on withdrawal. We'll click on withdrawal. Remember, we are using payment agents. Now you can see withdrawal dialogs box. We are selecting payment agent. This is payment agent. You click on it. An OTP has been sent to my email address to confirm that I am the one making the withdrawal request. Okay, now I'm going to input the OTP 197156. You wait for it to load. The payment agent withdrawal dialog box will open. You select the agent that you are going to use. This time around, I'm selecting Vibeclip Pay. So I will type Vibeclip Pay because that is my agent. Vibeclip. Once you type Vibeclip, it will come up. Okay. This time around, how much are we going to withdraw? You are choosing Vibeclip, so you click on choose. How many dollar are we withdrawing? $5. You input $5. Once you input $5, you click on withdraw. You confirm the amount you are withdrawing. So this is how, then you screenshot it. You need to screenshot it. This is how to make deposit and withdrawal from our new Deriv platform. I hope you find this video useful. Stay tuned for our next video. Thanks you.